All right, this is I Give You My Heart by Reuben Morgan in the key of G. And as always, stop the video right now, click on the description of the video, and I have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. So this is a really simple way to play this song. I've kind of stripped it down to the basics. So we have chords G, C, D, then we have an E minor and an A minor. So let's look at those chords. A G chord is made up of G, B, D. C chord, C, E, G. D chord, D, F sharp, A. Makes up this triangle shape. Then we have E minor, E, G, B. And then when you play that A minor, I would just play it right back down here, A, C, E. Okay, so review, we have G chord, C chord, D chord, E minor, and our A minor. All right, left hand, you could just put thumb on C, line up your 5 fingers, and then you don't have to really move this hand the whole song, which will help simplify it as well. We're gonna play single notes here. So when we play a G in our right hand, let's play a G single note here. Okay, so then we're gonna play a single C, single D note. You just open your thumb up that one note, D to D chord up here, and then E. Yeah, I guess you can open it up again here, E minor, and then we have our A minor with A in the bass. Okay, so G, C, D, open up that thumb, open up the thumb again to the E, and then to our A minor with our A. Okay, the rhythm that we're going to do to bring the two hands together is together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. You could practice that on the C chord, just practicing that kind of that marching rhythm to get you going. D, E minor, and then back to that A minor, and so on. You could practice that over and over, just getting that pattern going. I'm going to bring in some vocals so you know what I mean here. I'm going to start on verse 1 with a G chord. This is my desire, C chord, to honor, D, you, E minor, Lord, with all my heart, G, I worship you, F chord there, coming back to the G. All I have within me, C chord, I give you, D, E minor, I adore, is in you, F chord, then to the C, D, then it brings us into the chorus, okay? Let's go into that chorus and just look at that. G, Lord, I give you my D heart, I give you my soul, A minor there. I live for you, a G, every breath that I D, every moment I'm awake, A minor. Lord, C, D, G. Okay, it's very simple for this song. There's only that one verse and a chorus, so I think you can handle it. I'm going to play it beginning to end. As always, just go back to the beginning if you need a little help with kind of the nuts and bolts of this song. All right, here we go. This is my desire, to honor you, Lord, with all my heart, I worship you. All I have within me, Lord, have your